Hey guys, what's up? iTech Expert here, and in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at this paid software called Unictool Umendit. Unictool Umendit is a paid software for macOS and for Windows that you guys can use to fix system issues on your iOS, iPadOS, or tvOS device. It can fix issues such as a device stuck on the Apple logo, stuck on spinning wheel, a constant boot loop to iPad, black screen of death, update failure, boot failure, restore failure, a frozen device, and white screen of death. You can also use this tool to downgrade to older iOS without jailbreak. This app will also bypass iTunes errors, and this app also includes a free feature that you guys can use to enter or exit recovery mode. Today we are going to be using this feature, or this app, not feature, to fix our constant boot looped iPad. So right here you have two repair modes, and then you have the enter and exit recovery mode feature, which that one is free, but we have a constant boot loop iPad, which requires the paid version of the app. So right here we can either choose standard repair or deep repair. For deep repair, that will completely erase the iPad and we will lose all data. But standard repair, that should not delete any data on the iPad. So let's go ahead and try out the standard repair and see if that will fix our device. Otherwise, we need to use the deep repair. So click on standard repair, and now it says connect device to computer. So we have done that already. Click next. And now we need to put the iPad or iPhone or iPod into recovery mode. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so now the iPad is in recovery mode, and now we need to import our IPSW that we downloaded earlier. So if you have a IPSW already downloaded to your Mac or PC, click on import local firmware. From here, you just need to find the IPSW file. And then once you find the IPSW file, click on open, and now the app says extracting firmware. Alright, so now it says repair device. So now we are going to start the repair process. So from here, just click on start, and then the app should now try and fix the iPad. So at this point, just leave it as is. Don't touch anything, as it might mess up something and you don't want that. So just leave your computer and leave the iPad or whatever device you're using and wait for the process to finish. Alright, so now it says your device has been fixed. It will restart momentarily. So now let's just wait for the iPad to boot up. So on the computer here, just click on done, and now you can close out of the app. So now let's just wait for the iPad to boot. Alright, so now the iPad has booted, as you can see, and we can unlock the iPad right here. Let's put it into landscape mode here. Alright, so now the iPad is on, and we still have all our apps here. And if I go to settings here, and then scroll down till I find profiles and device management, I still have my configuration profile that I had before on this iPad before it started to boot loop. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next one. Have a great day, and peace.